Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set a currency in Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So actually guys, first I do really want you to make sure that you already signed into your account on dhpanel.hostinger.com, and then just go ahead with left side menu or left side bar and just click on the websites option, the second option, and make sure that you are forwarded to the websites list option. Alright, so right here I do really want you to locate the site that you want to work on and then just click on the edit website next to it. So now we are forwarded to the websites builder by Hostinger, and here where you can change or set the currency. So to do that, you all need to go with the store right here, and inside that panel we can go and click on settings. Okay, so here you can change the currency, as you can see. So there are too many currencies, or all of them actually. So if you want the USD, you can set the currency to the USD. Also, you can change the measurements say same system. So for example, I will keep it to the kilograms and centimeters, and then just go and click on save. Right. So actually, when you go back to your website to the products page, for example, let's go with manage store. All right, and go to the products here. So there you go, all the products are listed here with the dollars or American dollar currency. All right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.